Okay, well, before you scroll, it's school holidays, I understand, but don't forget, we are going to solve for x. Okay, so the first thing, let's look at the first question. The first question, we have to solve for x, and we have something like this. So the first thing we're going to do is to transpose this. So we're going to say x cubed. When you transpose 9x, it's going to be minus 9x, and then it is going to be equal to 0. Why? Because there's nothing left here. We took the 9x that side, so it's going to be 0. After, if you check here, how can you solve? You must think of factorization. So we must check for a common factor, which is x. So we're going to factor out x, and then we'll be left with x squared minus 9 equals to 0. And there's a rule that says when brackets are multiplying, you can separate them with this equals to 0. So we can say x equals to 0, and then we say this bracket equals to 0. After, can you see this one? We've already simplified it, so we must come to this one. And if you check, this is difference of two squares. So meaning we must open two brackets. So open two brackets, and then we write x and then x. And then we'll have to find the square root of 9, which is 3. So it's 3, and then plus minus equals to 0. We're not done. We have to separate each bracket with this 0. So it's going to be x plus 3 equals to 0, and then x minus 3 equals to 0. After, this is grade 8 stuff. We transpose this side, it's going to be x equals to, since it was positive, when it comes this side, it's going to be a negative. So it's going to be a negative 3. And then we come to this one, whereby we have a negative 3. When it comes this side, it's going to be a positive 3. And then these are your x values. And then you're done.